Making and freezing a masala curry base is going to save you a lot of time. Once you've made and frozen this, all you have to do is take it out, put it in your pot, and add whatever meat or vegetable you want. So let's make it. I weighed all of the ingredients here. So you're going to fry your onions. You're going to add your ginger, you're going to add your garlic, and then you're going to add all these spices. You can always adjust the spices later on when you're cooking individual dishes. Always use ripe tomatoes. They make a much better curry. Cook until most of the water from the tomatoes has disappeared. Then you're going to cool this mixture. Once it's cool, you're going to blend it. You can use a hand blender or you can use this food processor. I like to keep it a little bit coarse so that if I have to make shorba, I can continue cooking this. Freeze it however you want. I'm putting it in these ice cube trays. Each of these cubes is 3 tablespoons. Freeze it for future use.